In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a group in Gmail. This is a super handy skill to have, especially if you frequently send emails to groups of people, like your team or a group of friends. Let's get started and make sure you're comfortable with this process by the end of our time together. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Contacts page. If you're using a computer, you can type in contacts.google.com in the address bar and hit enter. This is where all your contacts associated with your Gmail account are stored, and it's the place where you can create and manage your contact groups. Once you're on the Google Contacts homepage, take a moment to look around. You'll see a list of your existing contacts. Now, to create a group or add people to an existing group, you'll start by selecting the contacts you'd like to include. You can do this by searching for the contact in the search bar at the top or scrolling through your list and clicking on the checkbox next to each contact's name you want to add. After you've selected all of your desired contacts, look at the top of the screen. You should see a label icon that looks like a small label tag. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with options to add these contacts to an existing group or create a new one. If you want to add these contacts to an already existing group, simply click on the group name from the list. Otherwise, select Create Label to start a new group. If you're creating a new label, you'll be prompted to name it. Choose something that's easy to remember, as this will help you when you're emailing this group later on. After naming the group, click on the Save button, and just like that, your contacts have been added to the group. Your group is now ready to use in Gmail. To send an email to this group, navigate to your Gmail inbox. Click on Compose to start a new email. In the To field, you can now type in the name of the group, and Gmail will automatically populate it with all the emails from that group. This saves you from manually entering each email address every time you want to send a message to multiple people. Adding contacts to a group in Gmail is really that simple. It streamlines the process of sending group emails, making it incredibly efficient. I hope this walkthrough has made the process clear and easy. Remember to save this video for future reference. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day organizing your contacts.